If you're trying to set up IPTV Smarters Pro on your smart TV and don't know where to start, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step of how to set up the IPTV Smarters Pro app on your ONN TV. The first thing you need to know is that IPTV Smarters Pro does not come with any channels built in. You will need a subscription from an IPTV provider before you can use the app. Once you have that, you're ready to move on. Step 1 is installing the IPTV Smarters Pro app on your smart TV. Go to the App Store on your TV and search for IPTV Smarters Pro. Once you find it, go ahead and download and install the app. After the app is installed, go ahead and open it. The first time you launch it, you may be asked to accept the terms and conditions. Just go ahead and select Accept to continue. Now you'll see a screen that gives you a few different login options. The most common option is Login with Xtream Codes API. Go ahead and select that. This is where you'll enter the information provided by your IPTV service. You'll need 3 things: your username, your password, and your server URL, which is sometimes called the portal URL. Take your time here and make sure everything is typed in correctly. Even a small typo can prevent it from working. Once you've entered your details, select Add User or Login. The app will now begin loading your channels and content. This might take a few seconds depending on your provider. After everything loads, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. From here, you'll see options like Live TV, Movies, and Series. Go ahead and select Live TV to start browsing channels. If you want a better experience, I recommend taking a minute to explore the settings. You can adjust things like the player, enable subtitles, or organize your channel list. And that's it. You've successfully set up IPTV Smarters Pro on your smart TV. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple smart TV tutorials just like this one. And if you run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. I'll see you in the next one.